Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at solving a problem that involves multiple steps, and we're going to be following the order of operations. So for review, we have our order of operations listed here. Our first step is to take care of parentheses. Our second step is to take care of exponents. Our third step is to do multiplication or division in the order that they come from left to right. So that part is important, should be in the order that they come from left to right. So that means that if we have multiplication and division in a problem and we read it from left to right, if the division comes first, we do division first. If reading left to right multiplication comes first, then we do the multiplication first. So those are both at the same level. And then our last step is addition or subtraction, again in the order that they come from left to right in the problem. So if we take a look at this problem over here, I'm going to actually use this smaller brush size. We've got multiple sets of parentheses. So whenever we have more than one set of parentheses, we need to start with the innermost set of parentheses. So in this case, it's going to be the 8 plus 2. The 8 plus 2 is what we're going to focus on, because 8 plus 2, notice, is inside this set of parentheses, which is inside these square brackets, which is inside this larger set of braces. So we'll start with 8 plus 2, and 8 plus 2 is 10. So after I do just one step, I'm going to copy the rest of the problem just like it was, so that I can keep track of what I'm doing. Let's see, I forgot one set of parentheses over here. Okay, so next step, I'm going to continue with parentheses because we have more sets of parentheses. I want to find innermost sets of parentheses. So notice the 7 plus 7 is inside the regular parentheses and also inside the braces. In addition, this 4 times 10 is inside square brackets and also inside these braces. So I'm going to take care of both of those. 7 plus 7 is 14. 4 times 10 is 40. And again, I'm going to copy the rest of the problem just like it was. So at this point, we have just one set of parentheses left. But notice we have more than one operation inside this set of parentheses. We have 14 plus 6 times 40. So we still have to follow the order of operations even inside the parentheses. So according to order of operations, we need to do multiplication before we do addition. So we'll do that multiplication. 6 times 40 is 240. And then again, I'm going to copy the rest of the problem just like it was. And now at this point we have just one operation left inside the parentheses, 14 plus 240. So we add those together and get 254 and copy the rest of the problem down. All we have left at this point is one operation. We've taken care of all of the parentheses step by step, working from the innermost parentheses out. So our very last step is to do 2 times 254, and we find the answer is 508. So it's really important that we go step by step, do just one step at a time, be sure that we're following the order of operations, and as we go from step to step that we copy the rest of the problem correctly.